after all the shopping, which was like what, 3 days? 3 days of going around here and there to find stuff, I feel like I am so ready to transform this room. So let's get started. Let's have a look at our room before the transformation. Right here is the closet. I am not gonna open it because it's such a mess in there. Okay, right here is the curtains that we installed. We chose a plain, natural tone for it to suit the entire room's theme. This is our king bed. Love the headboard, it's so tall. This is the baby cam that my husband installed to monitor our baby. We have another one right here. And underneath it is the chest of drawers that we got from IKEA as well. Love the tabletop, it's so spacious. You can put lots of things on there. I see this bed right here. This we ordered online and it came in bits and pieces. So we literally have to put them together on our own. This is the king bed, guys. Took us about 3 hours to put everything together. And I love how tall headboard gives a luxurious vibe to your bedroom. This room is kind of a mess at the moment because I parked all the bedroom essentials in here. Boko, wajib eh? Okay, let's get started, guys. I don't know where to put this. I love having plants in every room. Like, I'm pokok kind of girl. I have to have pokok in every room. So I think I'm just gonna put it right there. Yep. Okay guys, this part is basically done. But you know what? I totally forgot this mirror. Like, I should have installed this mirror first. Oh my god. Gonna guna this paper juga. So let me go ahead and get it clean. So this mirror actually comes with these handles, I think. You gotta screw this stuff on the wall, but we can't do that, can we? What we're gonna do is we're gonna slide this mirror just like that. You don't need to hang it. See, it's perfect already. I know this is just a rented house, it's a rumah sewa, but I'm a kind of person who has this urge of everywhere I go, I want my space to look a certain way, my kind of aesthetics, and I want it to look cozy, you know, I want us to feel comfortable and at home in this home. This is a leather-proof Moroccan style, so exotic. I'm in love with this. And inside we put like a lot of plastics and unused clothes. So yeah, I'm just gonna throw it here, I think. I got 2 of this from Primark. Saju je beli. I love how it makes everything look so cozy. I think I'm gonna put another one on the tabletop. What do you think? So I bought this organizer for stuff. Luckily, I don't use too much skincare or makeup, so everything fits just fine in there. This is nail stuff. This part is for my husband. He will utilize this space. To be fair, actually, some of my skincare, makeup, nail stuff, my husband's stuff are in these pouches. So it's more organized that way. Okay, I am done. And I feel like this is as much as I can do given the budget and the time. And given the fact that we are only gonna live here for a short period of time. So let's see the before and after comparison. Okay, alhamdulillah, everything is done. How do you like my room? Please leave a comment down below about how you think we're doing. Are we doing good or not? If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. And see you guys in the next video, which is a video on my living room transformation. So I will leave the link down below as well. So yeah, see you guys in the next video. Bye.